Ito. A muna ulit. A stands for?
Apple.
Very good.
B.
B stands for?
Banana.
Very good.
E.
Stands for?
Ball.
Very good.
D.
D stands for?
Duck.
Very good. What's next?
E. Open.
Very good.
Big stumpy.
Yeah. How about this? Next.
F.
Stands for?
Flower.
Very good. How about this?
G.
G stands for?
Giraffe.
Very good. Giraffe has long neck.
And baby.
And baby giraffe too. Next.
The baby is not long.
Yeah. How about this?
H.
H. H stands for?
House.
Very good. How about this one? I stands for?
Ice cream.
Very good. How about this? J. J stands for?
Car.
Car. No, that's a jeep. Jeep and a car. Same lang naman. Yes. How about this?
K.
K stands for?
Kite.
Very good. How about this?
L. Lion.
Very good. How about this, kuya?
And
Stands for?
now it's don't know.
Don't know. It's a mango.
Mango.
Next.
And this.
Very good.
Oh. Oranges.
Very good.
Next. B. Crayons.
No, that's pencil.
Drawing.
Great. Sige. Pagdating ni Mamsi. How about this? Q. Quilt. You don't know what is that, di ba? How about this?
R. Rabbit.
Very good. How about this?
Now the X.
S stands for?
Extra. Cycle.
Xylophone yung X. Nag-skip ka naman eh. How about this? Dito muna tayo. S.
Stick.
Strawberry.
Stick.
How about this?
Stick.
Kuya, no. Huwag mong takpan. Come on.
Stick.
How about this?
This is the X. There's 2X. 2X.
Dito muna. Papunta tayo dun eh pag ganun. Ulit. How about this?
X.
Okay. X is
Cycle.
xylophone. Next. How about this?
Is something.
This one.
Yo.
Very good. How about this?
Zebra.
Very good.
My ABC. It's my yummy.
Very good. Ikanta pa.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10.
Very good. Yay! Wow! May fans ka na kagad, kuya, oh.
What? Mama,